What is the only continent without bees? Answer C, Antarctica. The largest nerve in the human body is? Answer D, sciatic nerve. Which element is essential for making nuclear energy? Answer C, uranium. Who was the first person to reach the South Pole? Answer A, Roald Amundsen. Which blood cells help in clotting? Answer D, platelets. Which is the largest internal organ of the human body? Answer B, liver. What is the main gas found in the sun?
Please guys, support this channel with your like and by subscribing to this channel.
Answer A, hydrogen. What was the first country to use paper money? Answer B, China. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Answer C, tooth enamel. Which ancient wonder was located in Babylon? Answer A, Hanging Gardens. Which organ is called the voice box? Answer A, larynx. Which element is found in all living things? Answer A, carbon. Who invented the World Wide Web? Answer B, Tim Berners-Lee. Which is the world's fastest land animal? Answer D, cheetah. What is the only food astronauts cannot eat in space? Answer B, bread. Which is the largest desert in the world by area? Answer D, Antarctic Desert. The process by which plants make their food is called? Answer A, photosynthesis. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Answer D, hydrogen. The hottest place on Earth is? Answer C, Lud Desert, Iran. What is the oldest religion in the world still practiced today? Answer B, Hinduism.
Comment down your score and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.